afternoon to all of you. First of all, I'd like to thank our Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh for his august presence here, sir. You have given us a lot of inspiration and motivation in our way forward to strengthen the grassroots democracy in India. Especially, this will really motivate us to continue our endeavor to reach out to each and every voter in the city, sir. I would also like to thank our State Election Commissioner for being here and for also clarifying a lot of doubts which voters have in when to register, and especially regarding the date about registration process. Also like to thank our Chief Secretary, who's been a guiding force for us. I also especially thank our Chief Electoral Officer, who has been guiding us, especially in taking this message to each and every voter, and especially this particular year, the awareness campaign has given amazing results, sir. The number of registrations in the city of Hyderabad has been nearly 5 lakhs, which is more than cumulative total in last 5 years. And this really gives us the confidence that we can reach out to each and every voter in the city. I also like to thank our Commissioner of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, Shri Sumesh Kumar Garu. He's been greatly supportive in our endeavors and inspiring us in the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Our CEO, Secunderabad Cantonment Board, and our additional CEO, and each and every invitee who has been present here, especially the representatives of the political parties who have been very cooperative in Hyderabad, the various NGOs who are present here, especially the Let's Vote, and a whole lot of other NGOs who are taking this message to each and every voter to not only register but also to go to the polling booths on the election day to cast their votes. I also like to thank the representatives of media, both the electronic and the print media, who have been really a pillar of support for us and have organized various programs and campaigns, not only electronic media but also print media, to take this message to every voter. The students, the parents, and also the judges of various competitions for coming to Hyderabad and participating. The newly enrolled voters who have enrolled themselves, and I'm sure that each one of you will be going to the polling station to cast your vote. The senior citizen committee members, especially ASRA, because Hyderabad is known in the country for its senior citizen support program, the ASRA, which is a model program, not because of GHMC, but not only because of GHMC, but also because of support given by each one of you. Thank each and everyone who's present here. And I'm sure that coming elections, we will see people coming in large numbers to the polling stations to cast their vote. Thank you very much.